Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize ribbon in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to customize ribbon in this document. We go to the File menu. Then go to the Option menu and choose the Customize ribbon. Then customize the ribbon, check mark on or off any tabs. Now I want to edit the developer menu, select the developer menu. Then add the mailings menu to check mark on the mailings. Now we want to remove the home, check mark of the home, then click OK. Now we can see here added the developer menu or mailings menu, but home menu is removed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.